What's the meaning of calcium carbonate? Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a chemical compound consisting of calcium, carbon, and oxygen. It is commonly found in nature as the main component of rocks like limestone, marble, and chalk. Calcium carbonate has many practical applications, such as in the manufacturing of paper, plastic, and paint. It also has important uses in medicine, as a dietary supplement for bone health and as an antacid to treat acid reflux and indigestion. Overall, calcium carbonate is a versatile and important compound with a wide range of applications in various fields.